What just vibe? Okay, yeah, no, you can't do that. Okay, so lips, my skin, there's skin there, there's skin, okay. Non-comedogenic, comedogenic, comedogenic. No, that's okay. All right. I finish. This is necessary. Okay, that's what it is.
How are y'all doing? I just got finished filming a video regarding some new finds that I found at Dollar Tree, and now I am ready to actually try them. So if you were over there in that video and you followed me over here to this video, well, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really do. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wash my face with the cleanser that I wash with when I have acne. And that is this one. That is the Neutrogena Acne Wash. This is the one that I use when I actually am having a breakout. So this is the one I'm going to use right now. I'm going to wash my face and then I'll be right back. And then we're going to get into this Dollar Tree skincare. After I wash my face, we have a mask, we've got serums, we have lip scrubs, we've got stuff. So let's try it. All right, so now I'm ready to do the mask. This is the Global Beauty Care with Mask Applicator. It helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. 15-minute facial therapy. Okay, all right. Let's break this baby open. Let's see what it's about. Oh, here's the applicator. Here is the jar. Gold gel face mask. Okay, all right, so let's see. I don't really smell. Let's go ahead and just mix it up. I don't know how long it's been on the Dollar Tree shelf. I smell. Oh, you see that? I didn't got it. I didn't already started the okay, well, we was putting it there anyway. This is how close I got to get because I don't smell anything, you know. So we just gonna go ahead and put it on. Well, I'm gonna continue to apply this. I'm gonna finish applying this, and I'm actually about done. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm not gonna do 15, but I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Do I feel like it did anything? No. It's a cutesy mask. Yeah, it was a mask. It was a gold mask. I don't know if you're expecting something spectacular. I wasn't. It was a gold mask. That's it. Let's go ahead and look at these scrubs. So we had some spa scription lip scrubs and masks that I found at Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1.25, which is actually really cool. So one, both the ones on top are exfoliating lip mask. One is watermelon and kiwi. The other one is coconut and sugar. The difference in both boxes is one has a repairing overnight lip mask. The other one has a soothing lip mask. So, I mean, my lips are not irritated or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the overnight lip mask and see how that does. Yeah, so I'm going to do the watermelon and kiwi exfoliating lip scrub with the repairing overnight lip mask. I don't have really anything to repair either, but let's just see how it is. Let's see what we're working with. We'll save this for another video. All right, this is the Spa Scriptions exfoliating lip scrub, and then this is the repairing overnight lip mask with blueberry and cica. So it says in the lip scrub that the watermelon hydrates skin and boosts radiance, and the kiwi helps brighten and rejuvenate the skin. That's in the scrub. And the blueberry and Cica overnight lip mask, it says the blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and E for brighter skin. And Cica strengthens the skin by encouraging new cell growth. Okay, all right.
Comedogenic. Comedogenic. Non-comedogenic. I know how to read. Hooked on phonics worked a little bit for me.
Oh, that smells nice. Ooh, the watermelon and kiwi smells nice, y'all. It's not rough at all. It's not bad. And I see, because I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't just do my lips. I did around the lips, a little bit on the cheeks. Okay. Everything need to be scrubbed. Everything gets scrubbed. All right. Well, that is now off my lips. So let's go ahead and try the overnight sleep mask. Let's see. Oh, that smells nice too. It smells like blueberry. It smells just like blueberry. I guess that's it. Apply a generous layer to lips to moisturize them. Okay, well, I guess that's not it. Yeah. It says generous, so it was $1.25. Now that we can't go get another one. Okay. All right. Well, that's a generous amount. My lips is greasy. They look real greasy, real juicy. But, oh well. It is what it is. So one of the other things that I found were some serums at Dollar Tree, right? So in my last video, I was saying that they have some they had a multivitamin, which is vitamins B, C, E, and niacinamide, which is this one right here. Then also the Rosy and Ready Rose Hip and Evening Primrose, which is this one right here. They didn't have any hyaluronic acid, at least none that I saw. And this doesn't have any hyaluronic acid. So give me a second. I'm gonna get my hyaluronic acid because I can't just go putting stuff on my face. Acid on, and now I'm back. I'm a little bit juicier. Do you see? Do you see? I'm juicified.
I'm juicified. I'm juicified. I'm juicified. I'm juicified. I'm juicified. I'm juicified.
Let's go ahead and put this on.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a serum. The consistency is definitely of first ingredient being water. I love saying the word serum. Who loves saying the word serum? Is it just me? Serum. Some serum on my face. Some serum.
I'm juicified. 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 I'm juicified.
All right, so there's no smell to it. Just FYI, I don't smell anything. I don't, smell like fragrance or. I mean, there's parfum at the end.
2 to 4 drops of palms and gently press. You saw what I did. I gently press, but I do it just with my fingers. I don't do this whole that you be seeing the YouTubers do where they press and they like they're kneading dough on their face. I don't do all that. Just let me go ahead and do my little swirls, get it all in, and that's how I do. That's it. But I'm not pressing. I don't understand. My fingers are still putting it on the skin. What is the pressing gonna do? Even if I swear it's still in this. Girl, please.
Not here. I don't. So we got the Rose Hip and Evening Primrose, the Rosy and Red facial serum. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this on next. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this on up. This is, not milky like the other one. This is definitely giving me, you know, it's the clear vibes. It's the clear vibes. So, let's see. This doesn't smell like anything either. Nothing has a very heavy scent to it. Or nothing, or they really don't have a scent at all. Like, honestly, there's no scent at all. Let's just go ahead and put it on and see what it's about. This one feels a little bit thicker than the last one. I mean, still water was the first ingredient, so it's, but the consistency feels just a little bit thicker. All right. Well, they definitely seem like they're going to play well together. I thought maybe I might get irritated or something from them, but I'm not. I'm not getting irritated. I'm not turning red, which is a good thing because that's not what we wanted. We did not want that. All right, beautiful disasters, I'm back. So I actually have completed my skincare routine, but that wasn't the last thing. Like I said, there was one more. So while I was at Dollar Tree, I came across this mango cuticle oil pen. And I want to put some on my cuticles before I go to bed. They're looking a little dry and crusty. A little crusty and dry. A little Krabby Patty. So yeah, let's see. All right, so there it is. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's a twist.
There we go. I just heard it. I popped the cherry. I don't know if y'all heard that, but I popped its cherry. First time I can say that.
All right. Just gonna go ahead and brush it on my nails, on my cuticles. I like it because it's very convenient. I can definitely put this in my purse and I don't have to worry about it spilling. So when my cuticles look a little dry throughout the day, I can, ooh, it smells just like mangoes. You know, I always like to smell things because sometimes it'll say that there's something in it. This is cuticle pen, so I don't care if it has a heavy scent of mango or not, because it's not like I'm going to be having my hands near my face 24/7. I'm just putting this on the cuticles and I'm going to massage it in. I like that it has a little brush and everything. It's just very convenient. If I would get this just for convenience, honestly. I mean, let's see. I mean, it's cuticle oil. If anything, it's just supposed to hydrate so your cuticles don't look dry anymore. And it does that. So, yeah, I would get this. I would definitely get this. I would get this again. $1.25. And it smells so good, y'all. It smells just like mango. It smells really nice. But, yeah, that was it. Thank you for coming back. If this was your first time, I hope you hit subscribe so you don't miss another one of these videos. Because the next video is going to be me with the Dollar Tree makeup. And I want to see if it's going to stay all day. I want to see if it works. I want to see if it's a color match, honestly. I really do. I'm curious. They had one color of the foundation. One. If you don't know what the color was, then you got to watch the other video. They had one color of the foundation. So, yeah. I don't know. I guess we'll find out together in the morning. I have to wake up early for you guys to do this. Like, mad early. I don't want to. So you better subscribe, man. Like, I'm doing stuff that I don't normally do. You know, I'm not even a morning person. I don't know. I might want to rethink this. All right, I'll do it for you. I'm going to get up early. I'm going to get up 5 o'clock in the morning, which is literally in a couple hours. Because my day ran long today and I'm talking now and I'm talking and I'm talking and I need to shut up and just say bye to y'all and go to bed.
Where are you going next? Where are you going next? You going to that video? You gonna go watch the makeup now? You gonna go see what I'm what I'm talking about doing in the morning? You gonna go to that video? Yeah, might as well. You got nothing else to do. What, you gonna go do dishes? Do them later. Matter of fact, play me while you do the dishes. It's okay. Put me in the background. Put me on TV. Put me on the phone. Set it up on the counter. Do the dishes. Watch me. Have a couple laughs. But I don't know. I'm gonna go to bed. But I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, right there. It's actually right behind me. You see it. I'm going there. But yeah, if you there's no links. I mean, there's links to this in the description box, but there's no links to any of this Dollar Tree stuff. This is all on you. You gotta go find it. You gotta go. You just gotta go. That's really the thing. You just gotta get up and go. So.
Bye, y'all.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.